Hey guys, my name is Patrick Cogen and in this video I'm going to share with you 5 easy ways to make money online, so stay tuned. If you are new to this channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell next to it so you can grow your online business and take it to the next level. There are lots of ways you can make money online these days. Today, I'm going to show you 5 websites where you can start making some side income. And if it is something you love, something you really enjoy, you can make some serious money with it. So let's get right into it. First, Shutterstock.com. If you are not familiar with Shutterstock, it is basically a platform where you can buy or sell images, videos, or even music. You will find lots of images in here that are created by freelancers. Shutterstock offers the best quality images in any niche and you can use them in your website or blog. But how can you get paid on Shutterstock? If you are into photography, you are good at it and you are loving it, you can start uploading your photos in here and actually get paid for it. If you are taking amazing pictures or videos, Shutterstock will pay you a commission when someone buys your photo or video. This is actually a great way to monetize your favorite hobby. If you want to make a lot of money with Shutterstock, the best tip I can give you is to keep uploading great images consistently. The more images you upload, the more money you make. As simple as that. You can even make more money by referring new contributors or customers. Second, inboxdollars.com. This is actually a website where you can earn cash for taking surveys, watching videos, or even playing games. Inbox Dollars has paid over $57 million in cash to its members since 2000. It's free and easy to join and you can get paid for doing everyday online activities. Inbox Dollars has partnered with brands like Walmart, Target.com or Netflix to make even more earning opportunities for you. They have also ongoing promos and contests so you can win money online or get some free printable coupons or some free stuff. So, if you enjoy taking surveys, watching some short clips or playing some entertaining video games, you can earn some extra money as well. Who doesn't want to earn money for their opinions, right? Third, Upwork.com. This is a freelance website where people outsource different stuff like content writing, article writing, app development, coding, and lots of other jobs. You can hire freelancers or you can become one to make active income. The only thing you need is to be good at something. If you are good at something, like for instance coding, graphic design or web design, you can grow your own freelance business and start making money on Upwork. The best tip I can give you if you are considering Upwork.com, make a profile that stands out. That way, you will increase your visibility and you will receive more projects, which means more money. In addition, the greater the success you have on your projects, the more likely you get hired by clients. If you are consistent and you are providing lots of quality content, you can have full-time income on Upwork. Fourth, Fiverr.com. This is also a freelance website, but little bit different from Upwork. You can outsource here practically anything, as long as it's legal, for as little as $5. You can sign up for free and you can start making money even today. There are so many ways you can earn money on Fiverr. If you look at these categories, you can choose one which fits you the best and then choose your favorite subcategory. Whether you are into animations, logo creations, sound effects, coding, marketing, literally there are dozens of things you can choose from to make some extra money online. This is an amazing opportunity to transfer your hobby into money-making machine. And 5, create YouTube videos. You can start creating YouTube videos and make money off of them. Choose one of these 2 categories, either education or entertainment. There are 2 main ways how you can make money on YouTube. First, you can start monetizing your videos. However, you must reach 4,000 hours watch time and 1,000 subscribers in the last 12 months. You can achieve this by uploading consistent content that your audience like and enjoy watching. Second way, you can do different reviews of products, show different services or softwares, and then put affiliate links in the description below the video. If someone likes it and make a purchase, you will earn a commission. It's important to share value and help people to solve their problems. You have to remember that this is not about selling, but adding value to people. So these are the 5 websites where you can sign up for free and start making money online. Whether it's Shutterstock, Inbox Dollars, Upwork, Fiverr or YouTube. If you are doing some activity that you really enjoy in your free time, why not to get some money for it, right? I want to thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys do want to check out more videos like this, I will put links in the description below, so go ahead and check them out. If you guys enjoyed this video, hit the like button and comment below, and if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on the future content. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.